Hello, how to solve for s in this equation 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x is equal to 120. Solution. Here we are going to make use of two methods. Let's consider the first method called method 1. We have 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of s is equal to 120. Then 5 to the power of s is common. Let's bring it out. Here is 5 to the power of s bracket this divided by this. We have 1 plus this 5 to the power of s divided by this 5 to the power of s. This is 1 is equal to 120. Then we have 5 to the power of s multiplied by 1 plus 1. This is 2 is equal to 120. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by 2. Here is divided by 2 and this is divided by 2. 2 will cancel 2. 2 here 1. 2 in 120, that is 60. And we have 5 to the power of s is equal to 60. Let's take the log of both sides. Log 5 to the power of s is equal to log 60. Take note of this, that if you have log p to the power of m, this is equal to m log p. Then this can be written as x log 5 is equal to log 60. Now we have x log 5 is equal to log 60 can be written as log 5 multiplied by 12. Take note of this, that if you have log m multiplied by n, this is equal to log m plus log n. Then this can be written as s log 5 is equal to log 5 plus log 12. Let's divide all through by log 5. This divided by log 5. This divided by log 5. And this divided by log 5. And this will cancel this. This will also cancel this. S will be equal to 1 plus log 12 over log 5. But take note of this, that if you have log a over log b, this is equal to log a base b. Then this can be written as s is equal to 1 plus log 12 base 5, and this is the final answer. We can check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 5 to the power of s plus 5 to the power of x is equal to 120. Then this is 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of x must be equal to 120. Then we have 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of s is 1 plus log 12 base 5 must be equal to 120. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Then this can be written as 2 multiplied by, here is 5 to the power of 1 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 12 base 5 must be equal to 120. Then here is 2 bracket 5 to the power of 1 is 5 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 12 base 5 must be equal to 120. But take note of this, that if you have a to the power of log b base a, this is equal to b. Then this can be written as 2 bracket 5 multiplied by the whole of this is 12 must be equal to 120. Now here we have 2 bracket 5 times 12, that is 60, must be equal to 120. Then we have 2 multiplied by 60, this is 120, is equal to 120. You can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, which is true. Now let's consider the second method, called method 2. From the second method, we have 5 to the power of s from 5 to the power of s is equal to 120. And here is 5 to the power of x is equal to 60. Now we can take the natural log of both sides from here. We have ln of 60 is equal to ln of 5 to the power of x. Now here, if you have ln of m to the power of n, this is equal to n ln of m. Then this can be written as ln of 60 is equal to x ln of 5. Now we can divide both sides of this equation by ln of 5. This divided by ln of 5 and this divided by ln of 5. This will cancel this. X is equal to ln of 60 over ln of 5. But ln of 60 is equal to 4.0943 and ln of 5 is equal to 1.6094. Then x is equal to 4.0943 over 1.6094. S is equal to 2.5440. This is the value of x. We can check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of s is equal to 120, and this become 2 bracket 5 to the power of x must be equal to 120. Then we know that s is 2.5440. Here is 2 bracket 5 to the power of 2.5440 must be equal to 120. Now here we have 2 bracket 5 to the power of 2.5440. This is 60.003 must be equal to 120. And of course, if you multiply 2 by 60.003, this will give you 120 is equal to 120, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.